Hardy dudes and dudettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team, and if you're new here, welcome. Okay, today I'm going to unbox and install a Ram 1500 billet water pump cap. All right, it's used if you did the conventional fan clutch delete. Okay, I got this from Tap Performance. Big shout out to Tap Performance for the super fast shipping. Okay, I got this from Batman. I'm just kidding. I'm checking this out anyway because it seems kind of cool. Whoa, dang. Oh, it's a little unnecessary for an unboxing. All right, I just need one knife. Okay, let's go ahead and check it out, see what it looks like. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, super cool. All right. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, it's super lightweight. Oh, wow, look at that. Looks nice. Oh, man. Wow. All right, so we're going to unbox it and install it. I just want to look. Geez. Super fast shipping. I ordered it. I got it a few days ago. I'm just doing a video now. I got it a few days ago, but I had only just ordered it a few days before that, and it's boom, it was here. Man, this looks good. All right, I'm going to show you where it goes. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do before I install it. Now, I had just realized that it is recommended to put a little bit of red Loctite inside here. All right, before you install it, and I guess you only have to hand tighten it. That's what I'm reading on the website. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to show you where it goes. All right, if you don't know, oh, dropped it, but still good. Butterfinger. All right, let me show you where it goes. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do before I put it on, and then I'm going to need to get some red Loctite, which I probably won't do in this video. I'll put some red Loctite on it and reinstall it, but we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you where it goes. I'm going to show you why I bought it, all right, for the most part. Boom, let's get out of here. Hard it is. You just can't get rid of the dust. That's why, here in Las Vegas, that's why I got a towel over the motor. All right, we'll go ahead and uncover it a little bit here. Yeah. Just so we can, okay, little dress up item. Okay, so this deal, because I got so much going on right here, this deal goes, try to zoom in, right there. And that's where the fan used to be. All right, so let me try to see if it screws on here. Let's back up. Oh, gee, I lost it. Okay, let's pick it up. Okay. I was thinking about getting it powder coated red, but all right. This is going to be lefty-tighty, okay, and righty-loosey instead of lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. That's why I just dropped it. Okay. Wow. That looks good. That looks a whole lot better. All right, now let me take it off. Now that I know, okay, righty-loosey. Now that I know, it just goes right on perfectly. Wow. That's awesome. Good job, man. Shout out to Rick Tap. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do real quick because I'm going to throw a little bit of paint on there. It's more like a rust inhibitor, rust preventer type spray paint. Okay? And then I'll put this on. A little bit of water gets on there. I don't want rust dripping out. Okay, no water should be getting on the motor, but you know, things happen. All right, so let me go ahead and get the materials I'm going to use and show you what I'm going to do really quick and simple. Hardy dudes, I have some paint here. You can see it right here. I use this a lot all over the truck on parts that really don't matter, but still can look good if you want them to look good. All right, this paint has lasted me a long time. All right, I have a lot of videos Okay, where I had used this paint, and the truck looks really good. So, okay, and then I got a box here. I'm gonna use that paint. I got this box. I mean, I could have cut a better hole, but got a little glory hole there. All right, now let me show you what I'm gonna do with that. Okay, I'm underneath the truck right now. What I'm gonna do with the glory hole deal in this box, you see there? Look at that. All right, that's gonna make it to where I don't have a ton of overspray. Okay, and then I'm not gonna get crazy and constantly spray. I'm just gonna pee-pap it a little bit. Let's get a little focus, I'll try. Oh, yeah. Pee-pap, pee-pap, look at that. Yeah, a whole lot better than the rust. Now, I know I'm spraying right over the rust. A lot of people have a question about that. This is not a rust-through item. According to the factory. All right. I'm gonna spray it up. Okay, without overspraying all over everything. Pull it off. I don't care about it looking perfect. I'm gonna have a little bit of rust underneath right there, right? Okay. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this deal. Everything with one hand is not that smart. Okay. All right. Get in there. Stick somehow. Okay, thanks. Okay, here we go. A little bit. Don't get crazy. There it is. Okay, that's good enough. That's good enough right there. All right, now, I think I got a little bit of overspray right there. Let's fix that. All right, little overspray right there. It's all right. I got some quick detailer. I'm gonna hit it with quick detailer. Microfiber. All right, I'm gonna start rubbing, baby. All right, come on off. It shouldn't be completely cured and dried, so, and this is has been powder coated. Powder coating is pretty resistant to garbage and junk. All right, just have to rub really good. Yeah. Whew. Okay. Hit it again. No sweat. Oh, big deal. Yeah, you gotta make mistakes every once in a while. My back. All right, there it is, cleaned off. Yeah. Okay, now let's put her cap on. Of course, without the red Loctite, lefty tighty. Okay, I just want to see. Just want to put it on here. I'm not going to go drive this truck anytime soon right now, so it won't matter. It screws right on. That's excellent. No issues. Bam, that looks so good. Yeah. Like that. Woo! Looking good. Tap Performance. Link will be in the description, pimpins. Super cool, man. All right, dudes and dudettes, y'all the baddest. Get some.